I'm just existing. Don't mind me. Hi vlog. Vlog. So I'm making tea. I'm trying. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm like trying. Do you like my new hair? Waiting for the water to boil. It's taking forever. Okay, why is it so dark? I closed the lights and there were like pigeons on the balcony. It's supposed to be a sunflower, so it's, you can see that they are like leaning towards the window because it's like where the light comes from. It's so adorable. Like love, it just means I care. We do. That's a really beautiful color. I'm like trying to figure out if like I want food or not. I have Tate's album playing in the background. Chains hanging off your wrist when you kiss me. Wait, I need to turn the volume on that because the same song. Then there's a moment you know I try to be gone and I can't let go. I can't go. I can't let go. You make me so free. So what's down? Willard, I don't know. Oh my god. Like, words cannot express how much I love Tate, okay? Like, this girl, like, I've known her since Stupid. Stupid was a pretty big song for her. Not as big as You Broke Me First, but definitely like the one that was, well, actually One Day was like one of the biggest ones for her. Stupid was somewhere in the middle, but I knew her. Oh my god, the lower hair is so funny. You know, I'll just yap about it because when I first saw Tate was on an Instagram, actually I saw multiple ads, the same ad, and her song, like the lyric, this video editing for Stupid just like got inside my head. I was like, okay, I'll like look, who is this girl? And then I like listened to the song and actually really liked her song Stupid, and then I just like discovered who she is, and like she's from Canada and I have been following her ever since. I absolutely love her. This is a masterpiece to me. Like the Grammys can never, like, nuh-uh. People keep saying that this album is like just something is missing from getting there. No, to me this album is a masterpiece. Every single song on it is just masterpiece, okay? Like I love her so much because not only because like she's Canadian and she's like representing us, it's like she is the next big Canadian sensation. Because you know, like Canada is so funny. Like every once in a while you just be like, oh, there's a new, you know, sensation in pop music, and then it's like, oh wait, they're Canadian too. And then you realize, whoa, it's like every once in a while a Canadian blows up just like randomly. They're just like, oh yeah, we're still here, you know? And that's what Tate is doing right now. It's like, you know. And the funniest also part is that most of them like end up moving to the US afterwards. It's like, because it makes sense. The industry is there, but like all of them that like blew up moved to the US. It's like a thing for Canadian artists now. It's just like they just randomly blow up and then move to the US, and then the career goes up. It's just like great for them. Denial. Take a one chance, but I just want you more. Take a one chance. And I cannot for the life of me fall asleep. It's like it's 3:30 something. No, like I did not sleep a wink. I was like my eyes, cause like sometimes I get these like spurs of creative motivation. Like they're all like I've just been like troubled with my thoughts, but they're all positive thoughts, so I don't really have much to say. Did they trouble my sleep? Yes, technically they did. I think around like 7, like around like 6:30 to 7, I was feeling kind of tired. Like my eyes were like, maybe I should take a nap. But it wasn't bad enough that like I literally gave up and like just fell asleep. Like I just kept on. So I was reading the Lunar book. I was like locked in. But I started with Lightlark. I got towards like chapter 9. I don't know, I just something about this book just didn't really click with me. I was kind of like, you know, when the show comes out, I would probably watch it, but like, I'm not sure about the book. Everybody has good reviews on this book, and I can see why. The author, Chef's Kiss. I have to give the books back. I have to like figure out what books I want to give back and what books I want to read. Because like in the beginning, I like borrowed like good 30 books. I would not finish 30 books. I finished like almost 10. Okay, so don't mind the mess. Like, it's literally so messy. But these are the books that I like borrowed. So I borrowed the entire Lunar Chronicles. It had like the entire Harry Potter series. I'm supposed to read this, but then I was also like, do I really want to? And I didn't even like remove the thing that the library gave like at this point. I also have another Stephen King book, and this is a random book that I picked up. It like snowed outside. Yeah, it snowed and rained yesterday. Oh. Do I look tired? Yeah, I think I'll just go keep reading.